Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look into some of the animal words and how they are different when they make their plurals. Some of them take the S at the end and some of them don't. As always, we'll learn how to pronounce the words, and at the end of the video, we're going to use them in sentences. You listen and repeat. Okay? Ready? Go! Listen and repeat. Animal and animals. 1 lion. Lion. 2 lions. Lions. 1 monkey. Monkey. 3 monkeys. Monkeys. 1 bear. Bear. 2 bears. Bears. But these are different. 1 deer. Deer. 4 deer. Deer. 1 fish. Fish. A lot of fish. Fish. 1 sheep. 2 sheep. Let's make sentences. A lion is sleeping. Lions are very big cats. A monkey is eating a banana. Monkeys love bananas. I can see a deer in the field. Deer live in forests. There is a big bear in the picture. Bears like honey. I've got a goldfish. Fish live in water. I've got a pet sheep named Mary. Sheep are white. Now you know which animals take the S in the plural and which don't. Till next video, goodbye!